Come sing with me, Milo the Pencil is happy to see. With little shoes and a magical glow, let's learn the days, come on, let's go. Monday's here, the week begins. Milo smiles and learning wins. Wave to Monday, say hooray, a brand new start, it's a happy day. Tuesday, clap along. 2 great claps to join the song. Milo dances, clouds all cheer. Tuesday fun is finally here. Wednesday, number 3. Show 3 fingers, sing with me. In the middle of the week we stay. Milo helps us learn today. Thursday, fly so high. Zoom with Milo through the sky. Paper planes and clouds so bright. Thursday makes our hearts feel light. Friday, shout hooray. Milo loves to laugh and play. Balloons and cheers are on the way. Friday is our fun-filled day. Saturday, picnic delight. Milo and friends feel sunny and bright. Sharing snacks and games to play. Saturday is a joyful day. Sunday, calm and sweet. Milo rests with happy feet. Take a breath, feel peace today. Sunday dreams just float away. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, all with you. Saturday, Sunday, clap and cheer. Milo says, great job, my dear.